Hello children, I am here with fifth part of class 6 chapter 3 fiber to fabric. In previous part I explained how cotton seeds are sown. What is the season? In March, around the spring season, we are sowing the seed. Flowering happen, then seed balls are manually collected. After how the seed balls are manually collected, after that what process is happening, that we will see in this part. Okay, so the heading I have given, processing of cotton. Now cotton fibers are collected manually, we are collecting it manually. Now since the cotton balls are containing seeds and the fibers, I have explained in the previous part that cotton balls are having the fibers and the seeds. Okay, we are required only of fibers, so we are removing the seed. How we are removing the seed? Earlier the process was happening manually, so we were using some cotton, some steel comb like structure through which we are separating the seed and the fiber. Clear? So that is termed as, we are having some steel comb like structures. Manually we were doing that one, but now with modernization, with factories, mills, etc., everything is now with machine, so we are using machine also to remove the cotton seeds, that is known as roller gin. Okay, so now what happened here? Fibers, those separated fibers are given one term, that is termed as lint, lint. Okay, and the seeds separated are not thrown, that is also of having uses. What is happening? From this seed we are getting cotton seed oil or vanaspati ghee. You must have heard, or your parents are aware about that one. Okay, so these vanaspati ghees are obtained by seed. What is happening here? The seeds are crushed in mills and we were getting the cotton seed oil. Now the leftover part, that is termed as khali, or the seed cakes, that is not thrown, that is a nutritious feed for animals. It is rich source of fat. Okay, now since the cotton is very lightweight, fluffy, it acquires a lot of space, so that is tightly pressed before it is sent to mills and other area for processing purpose. So they are pressed into bundles and that is termed as bales. Okay, so have you understood what is bales? Bales are when we are tightly compressing the fibers for transportation purpose. So it is around 200 kgs, one bale weighs around 200 kgs. So that is transported and then further processing is happening, that we will see in the next part. Third step is carding. The raw cotton fibers are pulled apart from the bales and cleaned to remove the dust. They are having some dusty material, so that is removed in this step, that is carding. Okay, so that fibers are pulled apart from the bales and the dust are removed. Fourth is combing. In combing, what is happening? The fiber is straightened to make soft and untwisted strand. So what I am telling, in combing what we are doing, we are making the fibers straighten, okay, and making untwisted strand. No tangling is allowed in this step. We are making it tangle free, we are straightening it. Fifth is silver making. The cleaned cotton is then converted into a rope like loose strands and through a machine called cotton silver. So what we have done, the cleaned cotton, what is we have done cleaning through carding step, then through combing we have straightened it. Now we are converting into rope like loose fiber structure, and the machine used here is cotton silver. Okay, now next step is spinning, very important step. It is a process of twisting the fiber. We are taking the fiber and we are twisting it to make strong threads or yarns. Earlier time, what is happening? The spinning process is done through hand operated device like takli, charkha. You have seen Mahatma Gandhi using charkha. So he was spinning the fiber from which khadi clothes were prepared. Okay, now what is happening here? Nowadays large scale manufacturing of cotton is happening, so it is done through high speed machines. Okay, now we have done the spinning, yarns are produced, that yarns are collected somewhere in large amount, that is termed as bobbins, and from there the yarn is taken and the fabric is made. Two steps are involved in that one, either the knitting or the weaving, that we will see in the next part.